It's here. The Vortex by Garrett has arrived. Revolutionary, visionary, extraordinary. Look into the earth with precision and depth. Understand the target before you dig. Find less trash, more treasure. Introducing our ground-busting, multi-dimensional, multi-frequency technology. A complex analysis of a target's conductive and ferrous properties. See multiple targets on one screen. Simple ferrous or iron targets appear in this lower ferrous scale. Desired targets appear in this non-ferrous scale. Tricky iron targets appear on multiple scales. Sharp, accurate graphical target ID display. With this robust detection system, lightning-fast target separation, and fully submersible down to 16 feet, you'll hunt farther and faster than ever before. The world's first fully transformable detector. Choose your detector and upgrade it anytime without investing in new hardware. When you're ready for more, plug in and purchase. Embrace the power, technology, and transformation potential for the best hunts of your life. Vortex by Garrett. Embrace the storm.